Hi y'all, Renee here. First and foremost, I just want to say that during this difficult time, I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're finding ways to stay home and keep yourself occupied, not obsess over the news, obsess over things that are happening. I hope all your family is well. One thing I just want to point out, my nails, so sorry, they're kind of rough looking. Of course, you can't get your nails done right now, so that's probably the least of my worries. But I do have some videos that I've recorded previously that I will be editing and putting up pretty soon. But today, my Sew Sampler box came, so I thought I would go ahead and do an unboxing for you like I always do and show you what's in the box. And I hope if you got the box that this gives you something creative to do, something to take your mind off things, and gives you some happiness. So we will just go ahead and open it up. So the theme this month is Made with Love. So I will go ahead and take that off. And our coupon this month is 30% off Tula Pink rulers. So if you're getting the box, that's what your coupon's going to be. So I'll just put this off to the side. And our fabric this month is Petite Homemade Fat Quarter Bundle, Tula Pink for Free Spirit Fabrics. So these are fat quarters, and the value on this one is $14.48. So we'll just go ahead and take off. Let me push that out of the way just a little bit. Oh, that's really cute with the sewing machine on it. I really like that. That's really nice. This might make a quilt that can go hang up in my little sewing area. And this is the same fabric, just with a purple background. And oh, that's really pretty. It's a grid, but I'll bring it up a little closer so you can see. It has all kinds of sewing related things on it. And then a purple background with all kinds of cutting elements, pins, bodkins, seam rippers. Ugh, we don't like to see the seam rippers. And then some cute hands holding all kinds of different sewing implements. So that's the fabric. Then we get some unicorn head straight pins. Those are hilarious. Those are funny. Let me give you a closer look on those. Those are really funny. And the pins have a value of $1.98. That is not bad at all for $1.98. Okay, these are awesome. If you've never used these are called Wonder Clips. Let me show you. I've been using these for probably a little over a year now, and I absolutely love these things. And you can never have too many of them because they like to walk away. They're great for holding bindings on your quilt. When you put your binding on, it's good for holding it there. I've used them just for holding seams. I've used them for holding strips of fabric when I'm making my own bias tape, just to hold it in place until I get there with my iron. These are great. So it's 10 pieces of value on that, $6.48. So we've got those. And we've got a ruler, 2.5 by 6.5. That's a nice size. Tula Pink ruler, and it's got a really cute, I don't know if you can see it. I wonder if I have anything I can put behind this so you can see it a little better. No, that doesn't work either. It's got a heart and scissors as its grippers. So that's really cute too. And that ruler retail value is $9.98. And then here's our pattern for our fabric. That's really cute. And then it looks like you fussy cut out the middle so that the center of each of your squares is one of those sewing machines. That's really cute, so that you can highlight the sewing machine. So you need 3 1/4 yards of background, which it looks like they just used a white. 5/8 yard of an accent, which looks like a dark gray confetti. And then 5/8 of a yard of binding. And they do give you the part numbers on those if you wanted to use their fabrics. So that's really cute. And then this is the last month of Goodness Grows. So here's the final block. That is really cute. A tulip block. Really like that. And then our finishing pattern to show us where all of our blocks are going to go. And I am so far behind on this particular quilt. I've got to get in gear and get it done. So that is everything that's in the Sew Sampler for March. I hope if you got this box, you like everything that was in it. Let me know what you think of everything. I think I do like everything that was in it. I may have another ruler this size, and I do have Wonder Clips, but of course, you can always use more. This fabric is really cute, and the pins crack me up. So, and I'm really excited to get the last of this. Maybe now that I have all of the patterns for the Goodness Grows quilt, I will actually get in there and work on it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back soon. I will get those other videos edited and get those up. And then I have a whole bunch of other stuff to show you. I've been kind of in a funk, as I'm sure a lot of people have, with everything that's going on. And I'm starting to think that, you know what, I just need to find things that make me happy and do them. And making videos for you all and creating all of the kits, putting them together, showing you how to make cards with what you have, that makes me happy. So I think that's what I'll start doing a little more of. I'll get myself in gear and quit watching social media and the news. Okay, I hope you all have a great day. Thanks so much for stopping by.